welcome to Farm Fresh Bites. Today we will be making some applesauce. My name is Michael, and make sure to stay tuned to learn what the secret word is so you can get 4 health box of the farm stand this Saturday.
Before you get started, you're going to want to wash your apples really well. Next, peel your apples, and then once you've got them peeled, you're going to chop them up into a medium dice.
In a medium pot, add apples, cinnamon, and 1 cup of water. Bring apples to a boil over high heat, stirring often. Reduce heat to medium and simmer the apples for 30 minutes or until they are very soft. Stir often.
Also, if you didn't know, you can use Health Bucks at the farm stand, and Health Bucks are a type of coupon that you can use at farmers markets around the city, including the Red Hook Farms Market that happens on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And if you use this week's code word Golden Russet at farm stand on Saturday, you can get yourself $2 Health Bucks that you can use towards your purchase.
Leave lumpy or mash with a fork for smoother sauce. Serve warm or chilled.